Hello! Today, we're diving into the world of community building with a quick tutorial on how to create your very own community on Reddit. Whether you're passionate about a topic, share a common interest, or just want a space to connect, this guide will walk you through the steps to start your own subreddit. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app or website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version for all the newest features. Once you're signed in, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select the Create Community option. You'll now be taken to a new page, where you'll need to fill in a few important details. Start by choosing a name for your community, making sure it's unique and represents the purpose of your subreddit. Next, decide if you want your community to be public. Anyone can join. Restricted. Only approved members can post. Or private. Only invited members can view and post. Also, don't forget to check the box if your community is for adults. 18+. Once you're happy with your choices, click the Create Community button, and just like that, you've officially created your own subreddit.
And there you have it!
You've successfully created your very own Reddit community. Whether it's focused on a specific interest or a broad topic, building a subreddit allows you to connect with like-minded individuals. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy community building on Reddit!